Exactly 1 year ago, I made this video out of pure humanity. Every day, I could see the struggle of Filipinos passing by this road.
I don't even know how cars can pass through here. It's very big potholes, so many motorbike slides here. I saw two guys slip and fall off the bike.
Dahil araw-araw ko nakikita ang hirap ng mga Pilipino dumadaan sa kalsadang ito. So I dedicated my own time, money, and effort to temporarily fix 100 holes. Dahil noon, hindi pa kami pinapayagan na gawin ang totoong trabaho. Fast forward to today, and who would have thought that this vlog would take a deeper meaning? What was once just a small act of care now connects the bigger challenges we all seeing today. This isn't about pointing fingers. It's about showing how even small efforts can matter when people are struggling. Every day, millions of people wake up before the sun rises. They go to work, they sweat, they give their best. Yet, despite all their effort, many still come home empty-handed. They look at their children's faces, and the hardest question lingers in their hearts. What will we eat tonight? This is the reality. Hardworking fathers and mothers who sacrifice day and night are still unable to feed their families. Not because they are lazy, not because they lack will, but because the system they live in does not give them a fair chance to thrive. Look around our communities. Roads are built, yet within months they are destroyed. Substandard materials are used, funds are wasted, and once again, it's the ordinary people who suffer. Instead of progress, we see delay. Instead of growth, we see decay. Meanwhile, sa kabila ng lahat ng paghihirap, hindi pa huli ang lahat. Kaya natin baguhin ang takbo ng ating kinabukasan. Kung ang bawat proyekto ay tapat, kung ang bawat leader ay may malasakit, at kung ang bawat isa sa atin ay kikilos, maaabot natin ang lipunang wala nagugutom. Maaabot natin ang tunay na pagbabago para sa lahat. So recently we heard that there were a lot of accidents that happened in these streets, and that's why I decided me and my team to go there and fix it ourselves. We didn't wait for anyone, we didn't get any donations for this, we spent from my own money and our own efforts mga tao.
You can check the locations here. We have many locations to go to. You see the road has a lot of holes. We will take team mga tao, team construction workers. I will go there to cover all these holes. Maraming butas sa daan. We had difficult time to cross last time. Diba? Punta tayo last time.
We'll figure out how much money we need for materials and workers. After that, we'll set a timetable to finish the job. We will learn the best way to fix the holes, like filling them or making the surface smooth again.
Your group goes to your hole.
What hole?
Your group goes to your hole. We're going to go to the designated hole. Okay, don't dance when you are filming tomorrow.
They are to go, you just go to dance.
Oh! Oh, mga tao! Oh!
Okay, so we're ready guys for tomorrow.
Mga tao at work. Nice ba?
Now we're leaving. It's only 4 a.m. now in the morning. We gonna do this. Team mga tao is working non-stop mga tao. As early as 4 a.m. in the morning.
Nagbago ka na ng career, Brad?
Shout out, shout out.
Let's go. Pasok. Pasok ulo kami ha. Okay oh. Puno na? Are ready mga tao? Ready! Yo, let's go! Let's go!
Yo. Grabe, malalim yung butas. Okay, let's go. Let's go, guys. So today we're going to cover 100 rutas, 100 holes in the streets here in the Philippines, potholes that causing a lot of accidents. And I got my boys here with me, the mga tao, team mga tao. We're gonna cover all the holes para wala na aksidente, wala na butas sa daan, mga tao. So, are you guys ready? Ready! Okay, let's go! We're gonna put down all the gravel. Alright guys. Okay. Let's go, let's go. Bring everything, yeah. Okay. Alright.
More.
Three, okay. Wow.
Okay.
Alright.
On the way.
So we're unloading all the gravel to cover all the holes here in the street that are causing a lot of accidents, a lot of people sliding, you know, falling, tripping. So we're making sure to keep everything.
Okay guys, give me more. Please.
All right, give me. All right, next hole, next one. Okay, nice. Okay, good. All right, guys, nice, good job.
It was very early in the morning, very hard for all of us to focus. Despite all of the challenges, we made it possible, gathered all our energy together as a team, as Team Mga Tao. We made it possible, moving between the 100 holes all at a time. In 3 teams, we divided each other and we started fixing all the holes until we completed 100 holes and fixed 100 holes in the streets, Mga Tao.
Okay, wait lang sa iba. Wait lang. Okay, ito dito. All right. So no more accident here. See? We already flattened everything. You see mga tao, laki yung butas. Look at this. Come, I'll show you this. It's so big. I don't even know how cars can pass through here. It's very big potholes here. Look, so many motorbike slides here. I saw 2 guys slip and fall off the bike. Peaceful passage for all the cars, all the trucks. You see this truck passing now? So now they can pass peacefully without any problem. Nice. Okay, guys. All right, nice. Okay, guys, we will move to the other location there. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. All right, let's go. All right, let's go. Forward a bit. Okay, up. Good. Okay. All right, let's cover this. Grabe, sira yung sapatos ko. Brand new Nike. Sira na. All right. More, yeah. Dito tayo, guys. Dito. Iwan mo konti pang ibang ano. Alright, let's cover these ones here. Alright. Okay. Good job. Okay. Dito, that butas. Tapos iwan mo. Ano, meron tayo dito? O, doon lang. Ito lang, last na. Okay, good job. Okay. Yeah, good job guys. Nice. Okay. Nice. No more accidents here. You need backup. I'm coming. Ilang sako? Tira? Okay. Madami pa? Okay. Hanap tayo. Meron ano. Good job, guys. Now we need to go there and cover the other holes. Alright. Okay, faster, faster. Yeah. Look, sobrang laki, grabe. Doon pa. We have another one there. Yeah. Alright, more there, guys, and more here. Yeah, we need to cover everything. A lot of motorbikes are sliding here. Let the motorbike pass. Okay, pwede. Baka pa tayo sa butas. Okay, we're fixing it, don't worry. We're fixing all the holes for you, don't worry. Meron tayo tira? Pang ito? Yung last na lahat?
Get out of the road, please.
Okay. Pwede ano? Gawa mo ito? Okay. Now, punta tayo sa ano? Sa location dyan. Let's go guys, let's go. You see my sweat? I'm sweating a lot. Grabe, we're not finishing. Hundreds of butas we're covering today. We're making sure to cover all the holes so the people in this place here, in this barangay, won't have hard time to travel, to pass through this road. Because last time when we passed by here, it was very, very difficult for us to cross this road kasi sobra malalim yung buta. Pero today, our own, people, our own capacity to fix everything, to cover all the holes, at least with what we can. We are doing what we can do to help all the mga tao. Look at this. Whew, I'm sweating a lot kasi sobra init, pero okay lang. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Pwede ano? Sa shovel. Oh, nice. Look what happened to my Nike shoes. You see? It's worth 7,000 pesos. It's destroyed already. My pant is destroyed, pero it's okay. Para sa mga tao, we're helping the people here, no problem. Ready na yung daan. Dry na. You see? Wala na butas mga tao. No more butas. Okay guys, kain tayo. Let's go. Come guys, get your food.
Of course, me and Team Mga Tao didn't forget to have lunch break for us to be able to rest, make some jokes, some chismes, and a lot of fun, Mga Tao. They all enjoyed it, they loved the job, and they loved what we achieved today. What we achieved today is to prevent people from having more and more accidents.
From Burger King. Tini, tell them kulang yung ano. Kulang. I told them get from Burger King the spoiled food. Tapos sa McDo tayo order. This is the proof that hindi na sponsored ito mga tao. We buy the food from McDo and we ask the kutsara from Burger King. Gutom guys? Gutom? Okay. Wala na gutom dito. Kain. Nice, huh? Nice spot. Masarap, guys? Nice. This is not sponsored, mga tao. We just bought food for our break. We're taking a break now, mga tao.
This video is not sponsored by Lalamove. We just want to inspire people, help people, and teach morals to more Mga Tao. With each other's support, we can help more and more people. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to support us, Mga Tao. Let's see if we can reach 6 million subscribers together.